Okay, if you're changing your belt, then you probably know how to prop your hood. I mean, if you're doing this stuff. Anyway, so the belt's going to be over here. So we're going to get to that here in a minute. So the belt is right there. Of course, it wants to not focus. There it is. And the tensioner is right there. Right there. You can take the tire off and go through the bottom well, but we're going to see how much we can do. I'm going to draw out a diagram before I go taking it off. I need a wrench. Okay, I made a little diagram here with the belt. The belt's going to go like that. So I'm at a 14 millimeter. Put it on right there, and you pull towards you. Actually want to set it up about yay like that, and then when you pull it towards you, it loosens it. But I'm going to go in from the bottom, and we'll jack up the car. Okay, take your tire off as per usual. That's a 21 millimeter socket. That comes with the car, or came with a car. I don't know if it was this one, and a jack stand. Okay, once you get the tire off and you're chilling on it, I got two jack stands under there just in case. I got the jack on there too. I like doing that. Just extra safety. So there's a panel right there. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove this panel. I know there's a specific tool, but I don't have that specific tool. You loosen this and then you pop it out. I watched a video on how to do this, just the same way you're watching this video on how to do it. That's how I usually do my videos. I watch videos on how to do it, and then I make a video on when I'm doing it. So it's like double fantastic videos on let's see, there's the one of the looks like the water crap, but it's okay. All we see, okay, there's two of them, two pulleys. There's the belt. I'm gonna loosen it from the top. All right, I already got a diagram, so just gotta take off. There's the funny belt. Probably just has crap on it, like dirt. I bet you that's what's going on. Just got dirt on it. I had 127,000 miles, but I'm sure it can go a lot longer. So I might just keep it like it is, because I can reach under there. Oh look, there's the oil filter. How fun. All right, so to the top we go. I'm going to loosen that and take the belt off. Alright, see if I can get it to focus in there. I don't know if I can or not. See, when I pull that, it loosens it. See how it loosens it? So right now I'm just going to video record this, but once I loosen it, I'm going to push that belt off. Same thing, putting it back on. Okay, since electric's weird, I'm dealing with the alternator. I'm going to disconnect the negative battery terminal. This is a 10 millimeter socket. I'm just going to disconnect the negative because it's being weird. It was like kind of sparking. It was being Mr. Sparky. Okay. Okay, so I had my helper here take off the old one, and I'm matching up the newer belt. Make sure it's correct. My helper is over. You get your shorts on, you're good. It's down there, and so I pulled back on that while she took the belt off, and then we're going to do the reverse now. Here's the underneath. There's the back one. Go inside here, and then down, and make sure the top of it goes around that one, and then we gotta do the rest. Took the rest of that paneling off. Alright. Hi. That's a hot engine. Okay. Okay, we went over the tensioner pulley last from the bottom while she pulled the tensioner. I connected the battery. Probably didn't have disconnected, but it's always good to disconnect it. Alright. Alright, it works. Look, collars, yellow. Okay, it's 76 foot-pounds for the lug nuts. Okay, to make things harder on myself, I put the tire on first. So you pop this out, pop it out, and then you can, that's how you install these things. You pop it out. I'll show you in the next one. And then you can put it up in there, just like so. See how it's not popped out? See? It's not popped out. You use a flathead screwdriver. You pop that middle out. It's hard to do with one hand. See? I popped it out. And now I've got to find where I'm going to put it. It's all about searching around. It looks like it'll go right there. I'm not going to put all 4 of these back on. I'm just going to put 2 of them because, you know, it's my vehicle. I'll do whatever I want. There we go. Yeah, we will get the top ones on because it's going to be loose as heck. At least one of them. So we got one more to go. You know, go up there. And then I might put all 4 of them on. I guess I had to find the other one. It's down here somewhere. There it is. Good eye. So we're going to put them all on. So I'll go do that over here. And I always work underneath the American flag. You can work whatever flag you want to work underneath. It's just the one I happen to be working under. America. So we got one unpopped out. Now we gotta get the other one popped out. Popping out's the best part about this whole procedure. I had to have help with my girlfriend. She helped me with the she pulled on the tensioner while I put the belt on the back of the tensioner, and everything was good. I can't do this with one hand. I did with one hand. Look, success. And now we got it. I said I couldn't do it, and then I did it. Alright, this one can actually... Alright, see that hole? It's a wonderful hole. That's what she said. So then just... Oh! Can't be popped out yet. It's got to go through both holes. And then you pop it out. That's what she said. There we go, you ready? Boom. Oh. Yeah, it worked. No, it didn't work out. Nope. Here, we'll do the other one, then I'll come back to that one. Take my hat off. I'm all up in this wheel well. There we go. So, oh, I dropped it. Dang it. Oh, there it is. See, times like these. There we go. Just want it barely on there. I'm just gonna. Oh, I fell off again. Good times. Good times, great country. Good times. Come on. Show me the good times. Come on. Get in there. If not, show me the good times. These things sometimes they won't show you the good times. Well, maybe this one over here will show me good times. Alright, so go in there. Alright, I got that part in, and now all I gotta do is put that one on. Okay, I just shoved it in there, so there, now that's on. That one's barely on, so it may rattle off, I don't know, better not. Alright, these are fun. I love these crappy jacks because you can either do this where you go like that and like that forever, or you can just throw on a socket that fits over it. The hydraulic jack I have doesn't fit this SUV. It's for cars only. I mean, it's just not high enough for this crappy. Well, it works, it's not crappy, so this works. Good times. And then I got a 76 torque, 76 foot-pounds once I get this lowered. And I can show you. I use the 21 millimeter socket and make sure it's locked. And get it on there, and then you want to grab the arm until it makes the popping sound. There. That one's to 76 foot-pounds. Get it on the next one. Oh, shoot, it came unlocked. There. There. Next, we're going to do a star pattern. Oh, I think it came off again. Yeah. Crap. There. 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 Alright. This is fun doing it with one hand. Alright. You want to grab from the end, very end, and go down. There we go. Okay. Double click to be sure and wiggle it off. There. They're on there good now. This should click. To double check. Yep. Alright, 76 foot-pounds. Lower it the rest of the way. Oh, I love playing around with these jacks. This is near the end. Good times. Alright. Then I'll double check here. This is on 76. There's a 70. And then whenever to 6. Oh, actually. There, I fixed it 70. It's over on 6. And then we're going to double check here. Yep. They're all in there. Oh. Alright, they're on there. And we're done. This has been another Mad Human Pizza video. Have a great and wonderful day.